Welcome back to the Prompt Index podcast. Today we're diving into a thought-provoking study that examines the use of ChatGPT in introductory programming classes, something that's rapidly becoming a game changer in education. The paper we're discussing is titled ChatGPT in Introductory Programming: Counterbalanced Evaluation of Code Quality, Conceptual Learning, and Student Perceptions, written by Shiza Andleeb, Brandon Kantorski, and Jeffrey C. Carver. So let's unpack what this research discovered. As we know, large language models like ChatGPT are increasingly being utilized in classroom settings, particularly for programming courses. This study specifically looks at CS1, essentially the gateway for many budding programmers. The authors focused on how ChatGPT influences code quality, student productivity, and most importantly, conceptual learning. That last point follows a heated debate about whether reliance on AI aids or hinders deep understanding of programming concepts. The researchers employed a counterbalanced experimental design with 27 novice students in a C programming course. They carefully compared performance and learning outcomes based on whether students had access to ChatGPT during their assignments about functions and structures. By alternating access, they aimed to rule out biases related to the order of tasks, which many previous studies often overlook. What did they find? Well, students using ChatGPT reported significantly better code quality, specifically in correctness and readability. They also completed assignments faster. However, the benefits for deeper conceptual understanding were less clear. The results revealed that, while procedural efficiency improved, the conceptual gains were sometimes less evident. The study also highlighted the necessity of integrating structured guidance when using AI tools to ensure students are not just completing tasks quickly, but actually grasping the underlying concepts. Of note, students held favorable perceptions, appreciating ChatGPT for tasks like debugging and generating code. This positive viewpoint could play a vital role in its future adoption across educational systems. Of course, the study isn't without its limitations. The sample size was relatively small, and the results may not translate broadly across different educational contexts or programming languages. Future research could explore long-term effects and the integration of additional scaffolding strategies to enhance conceptual learning. In conclusion, this research shines a light on the transformative potential of generative AI in programming education, but also calls for careful application to support lasting learning. Exciting times ahead for educators and learners alike. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free resources at the Prompt Index. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time.